Hello from Accolend, your friendly no-points direct lender. In this quick overview, we will be covering the basics on what to look out for when choosing a title company for your deal, and the intricacies of the title process. The borrower, or the borrower's attorney, is responsible for selecting the title company and placing the title order. We strongly encourage all of our clients to do their best to select an investor-friendly title company that has experience with non-owner-occupied investment properties. Sometimes, especially in foreclosure auctions, borrowers are incentivized to use large, national title companies that do not have experience with investment properties and/or have a rigid approach to doing business. While we acknowledge that financial incentives are important, deals with non-investor-friendly companies require bringing in a new title company at the last minute. Please be meticulous in your research when selecting title companies. A title policy is an insurance policy that includes the legal documentation and specifics about the property you are purchasing and its ownership. A title company ensures that all parties involved entered the transaction rightfully. The transfer of ownership in the property was from the rightful seller to the buyer, and no other parties have any claim on the property, which may include other owners or outstanding debts the seller may have that are attached to the property. The title insurance policy can cover these points and sometimes offer additional protections. However, there can be what are called exceptions, which are items not covered by the policy. Exceptions to title can include easements, land rights, unpaid taxes, claims of parties in possession of the land, subsurface conditions, and more. They are added to each policy on an individual basis. That means exceptions are transaction-specific, based on the title's status and the nature of the transaction creating the estate or interest insured. Exceptions are important to be aware of because they can affect the buyer's ability to use the property as intended. Title companies are often willing to negotiate or modify an exception within reason. Lenders require that all or most exceptions be removed from the lender's policy. If the title company has no experience with investment properties, there will be a lot of back and forth with the lender, so don't be surprised if it requires additional negotiation. Ultimately, the interests of lenders and your interests are perfectly aligned, and no exceptions are good for both you and the lender. We hope this quick overview proved helpful for you. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 201-643-6650, extension 1, or visit our website at accolend.com. We are happy to help.